guys, have a nice day. My name is Jude Kingsley. I am going to show you to make a clean vegetable soup. It's very simple and very healthy. Just you check with this one in your home, try this one, and if you like, let me know. In future, I am going to share my old recipes with you. So make sure you subscribe his channel. Okay, come with me. I will show you my soup recipe. Special vegetable item. This is called drumstick.
Drumstick?
Yeah. Drumstick. We open drumstick and remove what we have middle one. This is very healthy. And straw beans. We have fresh spinach and mushroom. We have black eggplant here. This we already blanched and rice. We have dal, red lentil. Even you can use this red lentil or brown lentil. This is a beef, okay? Then we have chicken stock, salt, pepper. Already I put onion here. We just saute it without anything oil. Then I will put garlic, a little bit ginger. Okay. Then we will put white this one. And then it will take out all the taste from the onion and this one, onion and garlic, without any oil. So, see, then we will put chicken. It will maybe enough for 5 person. Then you have to put the dal, red dal, with red dal. And the rice, basmati rice, I put already. There's also then we can put vegetable, carrot, then this drumstick middle one, we see how cut this one. Then beef marrow, then leg, and what beans to be. Then we have remaining here color pepper, broccoli, and spinach and mushroom. We can add eggplant also now. Again we can do from see the color. Then we can add chicken stock. This we boil chicken with all kind of vegetable and stain the chicken stock and make ready before. Now we'll add chicken here. Then let it to boil all the vegetables. Around 20 minutes let it boil. We don't have any oil, we don't have any butter. Because of this, many guests here they are asking without oil, without butter. Any easy eating this soup. And it's very healthy also. This is very healthy soup. Somebody sick in your house, if somebody sick, you can make this very healthy soup. This one. It's like European chicken broth. Then we can make this one boil. Then at last we can, what is remaining spinach. We have remaining mushroom. We have remaining broccoli. Then we have salt, pepper here. We can use, and the last one we can season with lemon juice. Need to take 20 minutes to cook. If you cut small vegetable, still does. It's as a sample, baby marrow. If you remove the skin and cut it small, then it will be very fast. At least even the carrot. Carrot if you peel like this, as soon as how much you can cut it small, this cutting to rice. It will be take maximum 15 minutes to boil. And we have to put it in the oven. This also I didn't put any butter, anything, only plain toast.
Just toast.
Just toast. You can do it in for your microwave. We have to put the mushroom already I covered because it's coming black. Mushroom and spinach. Spinach we already blanched. We already blanched this one, and after I chopped this one, I took out all the spinach hard things. See, last moment we have fresh broccoli. This give you nice color. Now maximum we are ready. Now the food is ready. If you like to use capsicum, yellow capsicum and green capsicum. If you like to use this one, because I want to make this one colorful, that's why I do. That's why you put color paper. This is up to you. Now you see soup maximum ready. I will put the fire. Then you can see this one all mixed well, combined with the water and together all. It's very easy to drink somebody sick. See, very easy. By the spoon, even your mother, father or some brother or somebody sick, they can digest very easy. Very easy. They're very smooth and very healthy. And after the soup, after no need rice, no need this one, all vegetable and chicken, all ingredients, all vitamins and this thing, all together we have. Then the last moment I have to put the lemon juice. I will not put lemon juice now. Last moment to guess. Then the lemon they will add if they want. Then the other see, I will give you taste. I will give my colleague, my FMB secretary to taste. Taste. It's too hot. See, yummy. So I'm going to taste right now. And you are thinking that who is recording? I am the one who recording this video all here. And so I'm just going to take soup, and
Very good.
I have already taken very nice, and this soup is very nice, and I really like this soup, and that's why I just him to please whenever you make the soup, let me allow to record, and that's why let me know how would you like our video, and share if you like our soup. And this soup is so healthy and so vitamin full for the sick people, and also for healthy people, for those who want to live a healthy life. There is no oil, there is no butter, there is no any other types of, we don't put any greasy, only all healthy, without any oil, without any butter. Yeah. All healthy, even maximum but they like this. But to be honest, this taste is so amazing. So you should try one time, at least one time, to see. And if you like, please give it a big thumbs up and share our video to your community. And also big thanks to the chef Jude. So this soup is already ready here, and we are just going to show you. The bread, but also is brown. Let me see. The bread is already ready.